If you're looking to keep your Taurus men interested and invested in your relationship, it's important to understand what makes them tick and how you can support and nurture their needs and desires. Show appreciation for his possessions. Show appreciation for his material possessions and the work he does acquire them. Taurus men value hard work and the fruits of their labor, so showing appreciation for the things they have and do for you can go a long way in keeping them interested. This could be as simple as expressing gratitude for a gift he's given you, or acknowledging the effort he puts into taking care of you and your relationship. Be loyal and reliable. Be loyal and reliable. Taurus men place a high value on loyalty and stability in a relationship. So it's important to be there for them and to be someone they can count on. This means being dependable, consistent, and willing to go the extra mile to show your commitment to them. Respect his routine. Respect his need for routine and stability. Taurus men are creatures of habit and tend to thrive in predictable, stable environments. While it's important to mix things up and keep the spark alive in a relationship, it's also important to respect your Taurus man's need for routine and to be mindful of any changes or disruptions to his daily life. Encourage his values. Encourage his traditional values and sense of commitment. Taurus men are known for their traditional values and their desire for long-term, committed relationships. Encouraging and supporting these values can help keep your Taurus men interested and invested in your relationship. He loves physical touch. Offer him physical affection and touch. Taurus men are physical beings and crave physical affection and touch. Be affectionate and loving with your Taurus man, and don't be afraid to initiate physical contact. This could be through cuddling, holding hands, or simply touching his arm or shoulder. Stimulate him. Indulge in activities that stimulate his senses. Taurus men are known for their love of the finer things in life, such as good food, wine, music, and art. Indulging in activities that stimulate their senses can be a great way to keep your Taurus men interested and engaged. Try cooking a special meal together, going to a concert or music festival, or visiting an art gallery. Things to avoid. Don't try to change or control him. Taurus men are strong-willed and resistant to change, so trying to change or control them is likely to backfire and lead to resentment. Instead, try to accept and appreciate your Taurus man for who he is and encourage him to be true to himself. Don't be too demanding or pushy. Taurus men value their independence and space, so it's important to give them the room they need to breathe. Avoid being overly demanding or pushy, as this can make your Taurus men feel suffocated and cause him to pull away. Don't be overly critical or judgmental. Taurus men are sensitive and can be easily hurt by criticism or judgment.